Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to discuss about three journals, Scopus Index journals, which are fast publishing, and two are computer science related journals, and one is a social science related journals. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, Gomes Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. And here you can find various playlists to watch. So the first one is all about the research, where you will understand various concepts about the research, like how to write the letter to the editor to waive off, and how to write the letter to the editor regarding a submission, and many more. And this is a skill up where you will find information for your students regarding the internship opportunities, placements, free courses, and everything. And once if you scroll up, you can see the science SCI Scopus in Lecture 1 UGC CARE journal, which is for you. And this is my topmet account. If you wanted to connect with me for any queries, any mock interviews, resume review, anything, so you can schedule a call with me, so I'll be there to help you out. So let us see the very first journal. So Periodica Polytechnica Social and Management Study Sciences. So the subject areas are like social science, general social science, engineering, general engineering, business management, accounting, and strategy and management, decision sciences, and general decision sciences. So these are for the science, social science related. So once if you select this, and if you right click on this, you can see that you can find it's just click here, so you can find the journal. So I'm just going to select open all the journals. Okay, so you can find about the journal. Okay, so here you can see that it's there since it's there till 2024 March. Okay, so you can see here, you have to check whether it is there in 2020 present, so it should show this present. So I am releasing this video in the month of March 2024. So if you are seeing this after 2 months or the 3 months, I request you to please go and check that before you submit. Okay, so here you can find these are all this is the journal, and here you can see that the journal does not charge authors for any article processing charges, publication fees, and nothing. So you can find this is in Scopus, ICI World, everything. So you can find it, you can find the focus and the scope of the journal here. So 1 to 2 months after acceptance, so you can find everything about it. If you go to the archives, you can find more about it, like how many issues they are publishing. They are publishing 2 issues a year. So let us go to the next journal, which is International Journal of Electrical and Computer Engineering. So it is also there till present. So the subject area is what general computer science and electrical and electronic engineering. So if you just scroll down here, you can see more about this journal. So what are the scope of the journal and everything. It also there in SCI index journals as well. So you have to check this guidance for the author, like what is the complete author guidelines here. And you can also see the publication fee on the right side. Okay, so the three things which you should watch is whether this particular journal is under the scope, your scope. Okay, second thing which you wanted to see is whether it is still in Scopus. Third one is what is the publication fee, how many days they are taking. So there is a article publication fee which is $345. You can also find like what are the other types of paper they're accepting, like a research paper, case studies, and etc. So let us talk about the third journal, which is International Journal of Science and Technology. Here it is like it's there till 2016, and it covers almost many: chemical engineering, earth science, planetary science, general engineering, computer science, general computer science engineering, earth and planetary science engineering. So there are, of course, it's covering a lot and lot. So once if you click on the journal, it will take you to this particular journal here. So you can see like it is accepting these much types of papers. And also you can see the fees here, like what is the fee they are accepting is what the fees 500 USD per article, and authors can apply waive off. Okay, so you can find how to apply for the waive off from my playlist here, like all about the research. So there you can find how to apply for the waive off. So it's there in Scopus, Crossref, everywhere. So of course it's very important for you to just go and check if you want to publish your journal very fast. So you can consider this journal, so you can see how the review process are happening. So yes, you can find about the publication frequency 3 times a year, and it will be useful for you. So you can find that, like how you can utilize this. Um, okay, so this is how these are the three important journals which I want to discuss with you, which are there and still in Scopus. You can check whether it is there in UGC and SCI elsewhere. So I'll meet you soon with the next exciting journal. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.